If you want to win cash prizes for the things that you make, you are going to love Electromaker of the Month. See, Electromaker.io is more than just a website with a shop and a blog and more than just a YouTube show. We also have a vibrant maker community on our project hub. Each month of 2024, a panel of judges will be choosing 3 projects to win Electromaker of the Month, and they will be winning cash prizes thanks to our sponsor, Koitech. First place will win $150, second place $100, and third place $50, and everyone will win a pile of Koitech and Electromaker swag, along with, of course, the perhaps best prize of all, the vaunted Electromaker certificate. If you're not familiar, Koitech has created the ultimate tools for prolonging embedded and IoT battery life. Their hardware and software provides cutting-edge power analysis, battery profiling, and simulation for electronics. If you want to learn more, head over to koitech.com, link in the description of this video. As to Electromaker of the Month, this is a documentation contest, so if you're right at the start of your embedded or maker journey, don't feel outclassed. Our judges are looking for passion alongside innovation, and even the humble blinking LED can be impressive if it's presented in a new way. To enter, you just need a free Electromaker account, and you can use our online editor to upload your project or even import it from another website. Electromaker of the Month will continue throughout 2024, and just like last year, we are so excited to see what you are going to make.